Right. Welcome to Goinbox. Getting started. So, if this is your first time or you want to start, you will be able to come to access my account. So, this is your account. If you already have account, you can log in and proceed. But in this case, we are exploring your first time. So, you come to create account, enter your details, so we can be able to use, let's say, Jamii network 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then you set your strong password here, and you can be able to choose the service you want, but by default it is hotspot. And then how many subscribers you agree, and then your account is successfully created. Now then you will be able to log in using your account. Yeah, so you have logged in successfully. Here you are. So while you are here, you will be able to see your dashboard, but most importantly, you will be able to see that your trial has 29 days and the countdown has started. Then very quickly, before you do anything, you go to settings, and here you can make adjustments. Even if you are the company name, the one that you want to use for branding, you can be able to change your contact, your email, and you need to add a logo. So maybe you can be able to add, let's say, this logo. I prefer you use a logo which is between 200 to 60 pixels, and also recommendably you use a logo without background, a transparent one, so that it can blend easily with the platform. Then you save the changes, and here changes have been saved, and now we have your account setting complete. Now from there, the other thing that you probably rush to do is to go to network and create network zones. So here a zone is just how you classify your network. You can maybe have one zone or several zones. So maybe you can say zone 1, depending on how you name them, and you can give a brief description, maybe zone main zone, and the estimated population, maybe what you feel or is the estimated number. So once you have that, you then need to go back to networks and add sites. Once you add a site, you'll be able to now choose a zone under which you're adding that site. And then from there, now you can be able to go ahead and add your gateway. So remember, your gateway is the MacroTik. So you come here, select the site. So for this case, the site is not yet, because that is why I told you need to add a site where the equipment, because equipment cannot be deployed in a zone, you need to deploy them on a site. So first of all, you select the site in which you want to deploy the MacroTik and create that site, and then now you will come back here and add your MacroTik. So once you have your MacroTik, you will be able to go to the next step, which is provisioning. And here is a step by step. If you feel you can follow this step, it is a very easy step. If not, then you can go to auto configuration. You will be able to choose the MacroTik, but remember you have not added MacroTik, and then you go next, 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 until it will create all the configurations and do the provision for you, and your MacroTik will be ready in a minute. So that is what I wanted to share briefly on how to get started. The other thing, if you have a pay bill, M-Pesa pay bill registered, you can be able to set up all the details based on the Raja API platform, save them, and you'll be able to register the URLs. You will test when it is working, and if it works, these steps will be all complete. If you're using the other payment settings like Kopo as well, you'll be able to add Kopo Tail, the SDK push, the APIs, and then you enable it, and then you're able to save. I think basically that is how to really get started very fast. Under settings, there are the security components that you're able to set, like two-factor authentication. It is still currently disabled, but you can be able to activate it. And once it is activated, you are good. So the next time you'll be logging in, it will be able to require you to enter OTP code. But now that I didn't set the correct mobile number, I just want to disable it. Now, so that is all for this, how to get started. If you have any question, any concern, or any difficulty, send us an email to support@goinboxbilling.com.